OJ! Shake it, shake it! No, no, dude, get a glass. Get a glass. I refuse to participate. What do I do at this point? How do I get out of this action? Can I not beat this game now? I don't want to drink out of the carton. I have no free will here. This is frustrating me. I didn't know that when I picked this up, the only option I was going to have was going to be to drink out of the carton. I don't think I could deal with this game. That's fucked. That's fucked. This guy is a horrible person. I hope one of his kids dies.